Imagine creating a full ebook in just hours, using AI. No writing stress, no experience needed. Here's how you can do it step by step. Start by choosing a niche people love, like health, finance, or self-improvement. AI tools like ChatGPT can suggest trending topics instantly. Next, let AI create your book structure. Just ask it for a 10-chapter outline on your topic. This saves hours of planning. Then AI writes your chapters. Add your style, edit, and you're good to go. Design your ebook in Canva or Designer. Create a stunning cover, because people do judge a book by its cover. Finally, publish on Amazon KDP, Gumroad, or Payhip. Set your price and start earning passive income. Want a full tutorial on creating your first ebook with AI? Comment below and subscribe for more AI money-making tips.